Hello, dear friends. Most people are tired all the time, mostly because we don't rest enough. Yeah, I know. I know that. But if it's so obvious, why do we ignore it? Because it's not seen as important as other things waking early, getting stuff done, attending to 1,000 meetings, being sucked into the world of online connections, the god forsaken television. Where is the sleep? However, sleep can change all that when we are well rested. We are happier people, better friends and lovers, and have more discipline and motivation to pursue health and passion. Successful and happy people realize that sleep is very essential for their physical and mental success. I shall tell you few ways to get your sleep cycle right. The very first is assess how much sleep you are getting. If you sleep lower than 7 hours at a night, consider getting more sleep. If you feel tired throughout the day, consider sleeping more at night or taking an afternoon nap if that's possible. The second is my first suggestion is to take a nap. If you are too tired to take other steps, taking a nap is easy. Even a 20-minute power nap can make a big difference. If you can't take a nap, at the very least, disconnect from digital devices. That is, computers, mobiles, your smartphones. These are powerful tools, but being on them for too long tires us out definitely. The third is disconnect. Get outside. Take a walk. Cancel an appointment. Stretch. Massage your shoulders. Close your eyes for a few minutes and breathe. The fourth is exercise. A good hard workout or run, bike or swim will get you nice and tired. A good yoga workout is a wonderful way to do that as you learn mindfulness at the same time. Even if the workout is early in the day, I often go to bed with a tired body and look forward to the rest. Don't work out right before bed though. The next is get up early. You can get your body to shift its sleeping schedule by slowly getting up earlier. Try 15 minutes earlier than normal for a week, then another 15 minutes, and so on. If you get up earlier, you'll be a bit tired during the day, but when it comes time to go to sleep, you will enjoy the rest. The very next is go to bed earlier. The internet will be fine without you. I like to read before bed. Of course, a book, but not a website. As a ritual that helps me sleep. It takes a while before your sleeping patterns change. Then establish a bedtime ritual. It takes time to unwind the body and mind. At least an hour before bedtime, start slowing down. Turn off the computer, put away things you were using in the evening, lay down and read a book. Of course, again, not on your laptop or mobile. It's a kind of ritual helps establish in your mind that it's time to sleep and your body takes this clue and begins to prepare itself for wonderful sleep. The last one is focus your attention. Once you have done your bedtime ritual and unwound and your body is nice and tired, you need to quiet the mind. My trick for doing that, close your eyes and visualize the second thing you did. L- Let's say you washed your face or drank a glass of water or anything. Then You start the coffee, but first had to prepare the decoction. Visualize these tiny steps in detail. I never get past the first hour before I'm asleep. So, friends, sleep is a blessing that I wish on all my friends, all of you included. Have a nice and sound sleep.